Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to day 11 of the 12 days of Christmas. We're making this little Noel box. It's like a Christmas cracker that I have made previously, I think maybe 2 or 3 years ago. And we're just going to create another one using new products. So we are using the Joy of Noel bundle from the mini catalogue, as well as the stylish shape dies. They are my favourite dies. We have the gold and silver ribbon combo from the online exclusives and Night of Navy cardstock. Also a little bit of gold foil. So not a lot of supplies. The most important thing, the Shining Brightly 12x12 specialty paper. This is gorgeous. You'll find it on page 15 of the mini catalogue. All golds, very vanilla, Night of Navy, absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to do our die cutting first. We're just going to die cut the Noel and then the square. And I think I've used the second largest. No, the third largest or third smallest, whichever one you would like to use. So I'm going to use this through my mini die cut machine. So I need to just cut down my cardstock a little bit. This was just a bit of scrap. You will find all the measurements and the supplies over my blog. There is a PDF that you can download for free. Each day, this is day 11, so every day I've had a free PDF that you can download on my blog. I really hope that you've been downloading them, you're enjoying all the projects. We've got one last day tomorrow, but you can go over to my blog and print them out as you need them. So I really hope that you are enjoying each of the projects. Some of them have been very, very simple, some are a little bit more in depth, but you can create all of them really inexpensively. Is that a word? Anyway, and they're pretty easy to create as well. So we're going to start off with the Night of Navy cardstock. This measures 7 by 8 1/4, and cut this down to 7 inches. My blade needs to be replaced, and so I'm just using my sanding board to get rid of any rough edges. So the DSP, the Shining Brightly DSP, measures 2 7/8 by 8 1/2, and that's going to be our little belly band around our cracker here. And let's start making our box. So on the 7-inch side, we're going to score at 2 and 5 inches. I'm going to turn it to the 8 1/4 inch side and score at 2, 4, 6 and 8. So really easy to remember that. And we're going to do a little bit of scoring with your metal ruler or your ruler and just stylus, or whatever you have in your stash, but we've got to do a few diagonal score lines. So where our little tab is there, we're going to score from that tab down to that next mark area. And then with the bottom one, we're going to go the opposite way. So as you can see, it's just the opposite way. Super simple. And you want to make sure that all your score lines fold in perfectly. So we're folding them in. We're going to score each of them. It will line up with each score line, except for that first one, because there is that little tab to put the box together. So fold your score lines in, use your bone folder to get nice crisp burnish marks. There we have it. Okay, so we're going to add I'm just going to take a little tiny bit off each of those 2 corners, so the 2 sides, because you'll see them when the box is together, and I like to keep that fairly neat and tidy. I'm going to add a bit of tear and tape along the side tab. Now this tab is actually a little bit bigger, it's smaller than the tear and tape, so what we're going to do is we're just going to flick that tear and tape over the back, and there's no problem there. So folding it together, and we've got our little cylinder. Now here's where it comes a little bit tricky. You want to fold these in, and it does take a little bit of maneuvering. I've left this in so you can see. I don't get it first go. You sort of have to maneuver all the pieces in so it folds down. It does go in, and I probably make it look harder than it really is, but it just gets to a point and then it just flops down. I don't know. I can't describe it, but it gives you that nice little cracker end. And you can put lots of different things inside these. So whether you put them on your table or you give them to friends or family, just a lovely idea. Now we're almost to the end of this series, so I really hope that you're enjoying it. Let me know what your favorite project has been so far, or throughout the day, days 11. I'm always interested to see what you really enjoy. Now, a few of these projects have been rehashed from previous videos. I've been doing YouTube for quite a while now, and sometimes it's hard to keep coming up with something different. So I have reconfigured different things that I've done with new products, and that's made my life a little bit easier with the 12 days of Christmas. So I've just wrapped that DSP around and burnished with my pinching down on the corners. I'm going to add tear and tape to all of them. Now you can just add tear and tape to the two ends. It will lift around the sides, but if that doesn't worry you, that's fine. I'm going to add tear and tape along the whole sides, so just to make it easy for myself. Now all the measurements and supplies, don't forget, are over on that PDF. If you're interested in purchasing any of the supplies that I've used on today's project, you can certainly purchase them in my online store, and I would love it if you did. There is a host code that you could use when you're placing your order with me. For every order that I receive, I love to spoil my customers, so I give them a handmade card or a project. This month it is a Noel card, which is using this gorgeous bundle. I also have a bundle tutorial that has lots and lots. There's over 50, I think there's 52 projects in the bundle tutorial, so you're going to get lots of inspiration there with the bundle tutorial, and these change each month. So if you're not already working with a demonstrator and you would like a little bit of extra for your spending, I would love to be your demonstrator and help you out with your inspiration and a few extra gifts here and there. I love to spoil my customers. Okay, so we've just added the sentiment down with some liquid glue. I'm going to also add some tear and tape to the back of our square there, and I'm just going to run a little bit of that gold trim around the back there. Alright, and this project is done. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. Let me know if you're going to give this a go as well, and yeah, share it with your friends. Like, comment, share, all those things. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do that as well. And I'll be back for the last day, day 12 of the 12 days of Christmas tomorrow. And I look forward to speaking to you and seeing what you're up to. Alright, there we have it. Now you could add some embellishments if you would like. I've left it nice and simple. You've got plenty of room to add a gift or, some treats inside. And yeah, fantastic. Alright everyone, I'll see you for day 12. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.